Okay, so here we are again to install another camera for the system. So this is our cable, right? So this is our what? Our BNC connector. This is our power supply uh, cable. This is our power supply plug. So what we need to do is that this is our cover, address box cover for this system, right? So this our what? Bullet camera, which is for outdoor. Then we'll place it, we'll pass it from the inside like this. This is how it's going to look like. Then remember, the power cord of the camera will go to this power cord, right? Then for the BNC, it goes to what? The BNC, right? Then they lock it. Then we'll now fold everything inside of what? Inside the box. So this is how it's going to be. This is everything inside. Make sure everything goes inside of the box. Everything goes inside. Everything goes inside. So these are it look like everything go inside of the box. So we get it everything inside. So these are the things. So now we have to bring in our screw and screw the cover of the box and make sure it is strong on it. So always be careful to make sure you really screw everything on it. And I have to terminate it. So I can use one to hold it. I decide to use two screws to hold it. Remember, this knob is for adjusting the camera. What you are seeing here is to adjust the camera. How to adjust the camera? I have to open it, lose it, then I can be able to turn the camera. But for now, our camera is going to face like this. So we use this to adjust it. So this is how the camera will face it. So this is how we adjust the camera. I want to pull it up, you lose it a little bit, swipe it up, and you lock it back. So this is our bullet camera installed outside, right? So this is the camera. Then let's go and connect the other things. I hope we are all learning from this practical installation video. Okay, so this is camera we connected outside, right? So now I'm going to connect a BNC connector and the power supply cord plug to this. See what I'm connecting power supply plug. Then this is a BNC connector. Now I'll be using the wireless plug, both BNC and my what power supply. I'll be using wired, but let me use wireless for those that might be confused on how to connect it. Now the first thing first is to bring your knife, electrical knife, then opened, just place it a little just to remove the cover. When you are done with that, bring it, then you strip it off, open it, and this is it. So this is it. So this cable, the other camera we connected, you see that this cover that covers that separate between the negative part, the outer cable, and the inner cable, which is the positive. It was aluminum color, but this one is what? A copper cover. And this one that is here is a copper. It's like a cover now, right? But it can also conduct, right? So, but we have to remove it. This one, we remove it. This is the negative part, and we have a single coil cable here. Is the conducting part, which is we use as the positive part, and the coaxial cable. This is the data cable. Then you bring in what? You place it like this. Just place it, don't press it, just place it a little bit, and you bring in your plier. Then you remove it. Are you seeing it? But it doesn't stop there. Now we are using wireless system, wireless BNC connector. These are the connectors we have been using on this wire before the this one came on board, which is the wired, and it's very easy to work with than this wireless. But I still want to teach the wireless BNC connector and see how to connect it. So when you open this is it. This is how it looks like. There's the cover just removed now. This is the inner part. So the positive one will enter into this place, while our strands will enter into this place. This is negative. This is the positive. This is the positive. The pin inside is the positive, while the outer side is the negative. And this is how this BNC is wired and is being connected. So now the first thing first is I have to measure it. So when I bring, let me measure it now. I have to measure it. But I'm still saying that immediately I open this. Let me open this a little bit. You have to open this a little bit. Open this. Are you seeing it? I open it for what the cable to pass. Then I will not come and test it like this. Are you getting it? So you test first before you do your final connection. Testing it, I see that it is accurate, right? So I will not go ahead. See, watch this thing very well. See what I'm going to do here. See my strands. I will not go ahead and fold this strands at the extreme end of the cable. See what I've done here. See how I fold it. Remember, I fold it. I still have this white on it. So you fold it at the end of the white insulator or the white cable you are seeing here. This white cover you are seeing here. So now I will now bring in this, right? Make sure you don't allow it to touch the positive part. I will bring in this. Hope you are seeing it very clearly. I will now place it here. I will place it like this. Then hold it together. Then I will now bring my plier. Then I will make sure that I clip it to what? I will not clip it. I hope we are seeing it very clearly. I will not clip it to make sure the stand is being clipped to the outer side. So I will clip it like this. Are we together? So you do it like this. But sometimes I can still decide to trim it a little bit, right? I just want it to be accurate, right? But your own the first time might not be accurate, but try it again, you get it over time. Why I'm trimming it, try to trim it again is for this. If you look closer, you will see everything comes together. Always open this for the cable to pass easily because I'm trying to feel. Are you seeing it? So that all my negative part will enter where I will clip to. But don't stop there. Don't forget so that you will not do it two times. This is what I lose from the DSC connector. I lose it. Then I have to place it inside first, right? Place it inside first. Then before you now put you not put it on it like this. Then also make sure this negative strand will not go and touch the positive inside the system or inside the cable. Bring your plier and you clip together. Bring your plier and you clip. So this is it. So I will bring my screwdriver and I will make sure I tighten the positive part of it like this. So I've successfully connect this system. Sometimes if you like, you can decide to just add sellotape, but it doesn't matter. But sometimes you can still go ahead and put sellotape, but it is not compulsory. Maybe if you just decide to do it, and sometimes it gives it another look entirely. So this is it. Even without the cover, so this is what you will see. I will bring what my cover, and I will cover it. So this is what I have here. So this is the same thing you are seeing here. But this is a wired on, this is wireless. I connect the cable direct. But in this case, I've showed you people before, you will now connect those wires, those negative strands and the positive to black and what? And the yellow. So quickly, let's connect this power plug to our what? Wireless plug. In this plug, we have plus and minus. Take a look at it. We have plus and minus. This is a DC system. We have here what? Let me open it for you people to see. We have black and red, which is our work, our positive and negative, which is plus and minus. So what we do here is we just open the cable a little, strip it a little, then you can use your plier, then you make sure it is strong, then getting the BSC connector to the outside camera cable. This is the cable that of the camera that is being installed outside. So these are BSC, and I'm showing people how to connect the wireless BSC connector to the cable. This is what power supply. This is the cable that will bring power supply. This is power supply to that camera. So this is our power supply, right? This is our power supply bus, right? Then, in case maybe you want to use ordinary system, ordinary adapter to power camera, you have to install a socket close to that camera. Then instead of you having this cable coming down to where the VDRO is, a socket will be close to that place, and you just plug this thing together in the camera. But now we have a power supply bus. This is the recent power supply bus. The older one is not like this, but this is the recent one. Then what you are seeing here, if you take a look at this, power plug, assuming we are using this wireless power plug on the side of our camera, right? This is what we will connect there instead of the wired. This is wireless. But you can see that what is here is what also that is here. It's a DC system. If you check very well, you will see plus minus. Then if you check this board very well, you will see written here either plus, minus, okay, minus, plus, minus, plus. This indicator, this side is for disconnectors. Did you understand? So this is how it's being connected. So we have the camera that can enter this is up to 8. So this is for this, right? So again, it has the range of what normal, long, and extra long, right? Maybe you connect cameras maybe over 50-meter distance or 100-meter distance. You can extend it the rate at which the power supply will increase. Maybe increasing of voltage and current, the power rating of the system. You can increase it to what? To high and extra high, or long and extra long. So, but we still keep it on normal. You can see it here. Keep it on normal. So, but now we're going to connect this and the other camera to this power supply bus. So let's connect it right away. So this is how to connect it. This line is my negative. If you lose it, then you place it like this. Make sure it enters. Then you come and you tighten it, screw it, and make sure it's tight and it's well connected. So for this line again, I will screw for what? For the positive. I will come and place it. I hope you are seeing it. Don't allow strands to be outside. Yes. So this is how to connect it. So you can see it's very strong. Then our other camera, this is it. Second camera, this is it. Make sure the black always follow polarity. Yes. So this is our what? This is the next line. You can choose to use another line, but let's just use it accordingly. You will screw it. We have negative first. We have negative first in this place. You can see it. You have negative first. Make sure it enters very well. Then you now tighten it back. Yes. So this is how this power supply works. It supplies the current to the camera that you are being connected to it. Then this for the positive of the negative. You know, the two goes together. Then this one will now enter and come like this. Like this. Yes. Then this is how to unscrew it. Then you have it like this. You have it like this. So this is it, right? So we have connect the two camera to this. I've connected the two camera to the system, right? Okay, now furthermore, we will not connect what our BSC connector to the other camera that we have installed earlier. Just place it a little bit, as I've said before. Do it like this so that you will not tamper with the screw. Then you have it like this. Gather the negative strands and open it up like this, like this. Open it up and take it a little bit. Bring your plier, and this is it. Now when we're using this, remember this is our BSC connector, right? So the black is for negative, and what the yellow is for positive. Please take note of this color coding. It should not confuse you. Anytime you see black in the system, unless you test it and reverse is the case. So this is the black on this system. So you have to connect it like this. Connect it like this. Always make sure this cover is removed. It might affect the quality of the video or not showing at all, or the video might not be showing anything just because of these small mistakes. So do well to minimize your errors and mistakes, and also you can do well to eliminate them totally if you are very careful during your installation. So this is what you should be doing in the system. Sellotape is very important. Bring your sellotape and make sure you sellotape it before you proceed to connect the positive part. Right? So this is it. I go ahead, connect the negative part. Right? So this is it on the negative side. So this is it, right? So this is it. So I have it like this. So this is it. This is it. And this is it. Okay, so now we have successfully installed two cameras. So now we're going to plug them to our DVRO system. 1, 2, then 3, 4 in the channel. Right? So what we do now is that we put one here. We're going to use two channel, which is two camera we install. Put one, install one in this place. Install one here. Just plug it. Just plug, be very careful. You have to plug the camera, allow it to enter. Allow it to enter. then turn it. I like to enter before you lock it. Of course, you need to lock it. I like to enter, then you do what? You lock it. This is how it should be. So these are two camera on BSC. These are two. These are two camera on power supply box. So the next thing we'll be doing now is we'll now plug our power supply to this place, right? We'll now plug it to extension. This is our TV. It's already plugged to our extension. We bring in this our adapter, right? We connect it to this place of the our power supply. Then we connect it to what? Connect it to our DVR, right? So we bring in what? Our HDMI cable. These are HDMI cable. Connect it to this place of the DVR. Then we bring it and come and connect it to our what? Our television, and we are using this is it. So on this television we have HDMI 1, HDMI 2. We have VGA here, we have SCART, we have other things. But what concerns us now is putting our system on HDMI 1, right? So we place our system back, right? We place our what? Our system, our TV back. So the next thing is how we are going to see or navigate the system, right? So we need mouse, right? So bring in our mouse and we do what? Bring in our mouse and we'll connect. So after connecting everything now, here we are going to installing our HDD 500 hard disk drive. This is a new hard disk drive that has not been used before. So the DVR before we proceed, because we need here our events and record will be stored. So here you have to lose your what? You have to lose your DVR. So start from here. Bring your start screwdriver. Start from here. Lose your what? You have to lose it. You have to lose your DVR. Then lose your DVR. Then so we have to open our what? Our DVR. So this is what we have inside the system. This everything you are seeing there in this DVR. So your DVR is what we find in your